opportunities to earn online. Most people seek other sources of income for their goals, and the internet provides you with a lot of legitimate choices. Nowadays, you can earn just by doing your hobby. Like photography. Yes, you can get paid to take photos. PhotoJobz is an online membership network where you get paid to take photos. They have a wonderfully straightforward system of helping people sell photos online. If you are into photography, can take good photos or why? Own interesting photos, PhotoJobz has 1,000 potential buyers for it. Photos are in demand to be used for websites, magazines, brochures, books, ads and more. Wherever you look, you can see pictures. They play a significant role in any media outlets. Educational resources, social media, anything you can think about. That is why, there will be potential buyers for your photos. You do not even need to be a professional photographer to be a member. Your photos can be valuable to others, and this network will be your profit-generating platform, partnering with potential buyers that might be interested in your photographs. All you need to do is present them. It is easy and it takes only a few simple steps. Ready your photography devices. It can be your smartphone or a camera. Start taking pictures. You can choose any subject you want, and you can upload your photos instantly to thousands of possible buyers. You can earn from unlimited photos, and you can do it wherever, whenever. You are your own boss and you have the freedom to use your own time. Imagine how liberating that is, doing something that you love and getting paid for it. Without being stuck in traffic and without a boss telling you what to do. With unlimited potential earnings, you can even make this as your primary source of income. All you need to do is snap, click and upload. It does not matter where you live, it is a network participated by members from any part of the world. The membership includes instant access to PhotoJobz step-by-step guide, job database, daily email support, monthly new content, and of course the unlimited income opportunity you can have. All of these for a network fee of $1 for the first 5 days, so that you can try it out and see what PhotoJobz really is. After 5 days there will be a monthly network fee of $27. You can earn while doing photography. Imagine getting paid just by taking pictures wherever you are. If you are into photography, this is a great product for you. If you are looking for another source of income, this product is also for you. Even if you are a complete beginner, PhotoJobz provides you with a simple guideline on how to navigate the database and how to earn by marketing your photographs to thousands of buyers. Imagine how useful a picture can be. It has many uses and therefore there is a high demand for it. Imagine being your own boss and working on your own time, at your own space. Taking photographs and improving your creativity with an unlimited opportunity to earn. It would be a great investment, especially that you are protected with a money-back guarantee. So, take that photo, snap and click and start to earn.